Hello and welcome to this Swift tutorial. In this video we are going to show or take a look at how you can embed YouTube videos into your app. And this is a simple, fast and easy way to do it. So let's just jump straight into it. And we start by, of course, creating a new Xcode project. Let's double tap there. And then I'm just going to make it a single view application and call this YouTube Embed. And then I'm going to save it on my desktop, and then I'm going to jump straight to our storyboard. Now you can use web views for many things, and displaying YouTube videos is one of them. So we are going to need one of them. And because YouTube videos have a certain format, I'm not going to stretch it all the way wide and fill the whole view controller, but I'm going to try to guess the format that the video is going to come in. Of course, if this is a more production app, then you want to of course have the measurements, but right now I'm just going to guess a little bit here. There we go. That should be a YouTube video. Then I'm going to play some constraints as well, just like that. And then I'm going to connect it up with our view controller file. Let's see, I'm going to select our web view and I'm going to control drag it in here. I'm going to name it my web view, connect it up, and then I'm just going to jump straight to our view controller, because now all of the fun is going to happen in our view controller. So I'm going to do all of the work in our view control or view did load method, so that instantly when the user launches the app, he's going to be presented with the video. Of course, you can also do it when the user taps a certain button or anything really. But right now we're just going to do it in our view did load method, and or we're going to call it in the view did load method, but we're actually going to create a function that I'm going to call get video, which is going to accept a string. So video is going to accept the video code, which is of type string. And the video code is simply that code or that identification number that each video has, so that YouTube can see which video it is. So each video has a certain ID, and then you can just paste that at the back of the YouTube link, and then you will get the video that you are looking for. So we're going to pass it a video code, and then the URL is going to be, let's define a constant URL, which is going to be equal to a URL made up of a string. And this string is going to be https://www.youtube.com/embed/ and then we're going to make a backslash, which simply means we want to, let's see, a backslash, and I'm going to write video code here. So the constant that we get passed when we call the function, we want to embed into this link. And then we simply do like this. And the reason we have a backslash is simply because we are telling the URL or telling Xcode that this is a variable that we are converting to a string and then placing at the back of our URL. So this should not be counted as the word video code, but should instead call the value of video code and then add it to our URL. And then we just need to make string small here. Okay, so now we are going to load this video in our web view, and the way we do that is we simply say my web view dot load request, and the request that we want to load is a URL request, and the URL that it's going to accept is our URL that we defined above, and we just need to force unwrap that. Of course, operate with an if statement to check if it's equal to nil or if it's actually a valid URL, but right now we're just going to take our user's word for it and accept that this is going to be a valid URL. And then I'm going to call the function get video, and the video code that I'm going to use is the video code to one of my favorite videos. So now I'm going to launch it, and then we will see what we've got. So let's see if our app is coming along here, starting to build it, starting to build a bit of tension. Are we going to get a video? And there we go. There we have our video, and let's click on play just to make sure that this is actually working. And it's loading, and there we go.
Xcode and creating a new Xcode project. Let's see, I'm just going Xcode here.
Awesome.
New.
And I'm just going to click on done. So this is how you embed YouTube videos into your app. The way you adjust the size of the video, of course, is by adjusting the size of the web view. So if you wanted to fit inside a table view, you can do that. And then when the user taps on it, it's going to expand to fill the whole screen. So this is how you do it. This is how you embed YouTube videos into your apps. If you enjoyed this video, make sure that you click the subscribe button so that you stay tuned for future Swift tutorial videos. And again, thank you for watching.